Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. It was huge encouragement for me to speak with my broken English. So if you can put up with that, I really appreciate it. So right now I am covering the white canvas up. Pink is a sky and mountains and some blue close-up mountains and some greens. So I usually cover whole canvas up thin layers, then I will put another layer on top of it. I am putting colorful autumn tree on top of my wet background so that I can actually push and move around the painting and mix at the same time. I love to mix colors on the canvas rather than on the palette. I do both, but however, I enjoy oil painting, the ability to push it around. So bottom of tree is more darker, obviously, so that it shows more forward, and you probably cannot see very well, but I actually apply very lightly because you don't want to scrap off the first layers. As you can see, I am placing tree trunk and twigs and stems, whatever that tree has. And I don't really plan things, I just go with my flow, whatever I feel that where it should be. I know it sounds weird, but once you start painting, you will know what I'm saying. I used to be a portrait, very close up, realistic painter. I did a lot of pet portrait and peoples and kids, but I think I love just freedom of this whatever, however I feel at that moment. So I can call myself impressionist because I don't really making tree. I just put colors on it and then let it be a tree. Right now I am using those rubber scrubbing little tool to remove some of the painting. It's like making a sky hole, and using that as some kind of tweaks, and that's another beauty of oil painting. You can remove it. Actually, you can create that remove the spot as a part of the creation. And right now I am putting white colors on my trunk. I love birch trees. I don't even know if this is birch trees, but I like that white trunk. I am adding more colors on top of the other colors to create the variation and texture. Little extra movement. I don't know if that's right expression, but putting different colors, different red has all different shades of the red and orange. So continuously trying to fill up and add what I'm painting. I usually go back and forth, trying to see what it needs to be. When do I know when it is done? That is a good question, and most of the time that I don't really know, except that when I look, there's nothing I can do with it. Then that's when I stop. But normally I leave it, let it dry, and then go back and see if there's anything I can fix or add. However, you don't want to overdo. You don't want to make painting like just stuffed, splashed painting on canvas. But anyway, if you like to see my full uncut video, to see a better way to watch it, just let me know. I will post it, but it's gonna be long, so just let me know. And please be kind and supportive of me, and push that subscribe button and like button. That will be so great.